a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eye.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. And today, girl, I ain't got nobody bonnet on. And I think I left my bonnet in the bathroom. It's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Honey Blonde Highlight Silky Straight Glueless 5x5 Closure Wig. Before we get into the specs and the details of this unit, if you find that you end up liking her and you want to grab her, make sure to check my description box down below. It'll have all of the information along with the direct link to the unit, along with a discount code that you can use, which I believe is Tan Dotson. That should save you 28% off of their entire website. This is the unit straight out of the box, and as you can see, the base of the unit is this like really pretty brown color with, you know, some subtle hints of like blonde highlights throughout. But then towards the front of the unit, you have like two thicker stripes of blonde on each side. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs. Just kidding, comes with 4 combs in total. Has 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and it also has 1 in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also comes with a pre-attached elastic band that you can adjust. Again, this is a 5x5 lace closure, so therefore you are going to get 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. The lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 24 inches, and I received the 22 inch. You can get this unit with pre-cut lace, but that will cost an additional $5. According to the website, it says that the density for this unit is 180% density, but if I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all, it feels more so like 150%. The density isn't bad. I'm just saying I don't want you guys to think that you're going to get like a thicker feeling, silkier textured unit, when in reality it's more so like a natural feeling density type of unit. You get me? Anyways, girl, let's go ahead and install her.
Cigarettes and a Casamigos. The feeling like it's Spider-Man. Oh, I've been trying to keep things low. I said, somebody save me. Save me from only myself. Somebody save me. Can't keep on holding my breath. Better get this off my chest. Feels like every time I see you, I just don't really stay. I just don't really stay. I just don't really. It feels like every night I need you. I just wanna believe. I just wanna believe. I just don't really.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be Miss Girl does shed. I'm more so getting a lot of blonde strands when it does come to the shedding, which I'm not actually surprised about, but at the same time I'm like, girl, slow down. Another con is, well, I don't know if it's necessarily a con or if it's just me being like a little bit picky, but I do wish that the unit would hold like a bump at the end a little bit better. This is a silky straight unit, so I'm not expecting it to hold a curl like whatsoever. Do not get this unit expecting to curl her and expecting the curls to last, okay? I'm saying that right here, right now. But as far as like a bump on the end goes, like, it's holding up right now, but I would say probably within the next hour or so I would want to put like another bump at the end. So I don't know, maybe in the future if I choose to keep this wig, then I will possibly like spray some hairspray or something like that towards the end, and like hope, pray, and wish and cross my fingers that the bump will last longer than an hour. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. The first one is going to be the color. How they did this coloring on this unit is just like chef's kiss. Loving the brown because I feel like the brown complements my skin tone very nicely. I don't know, to me there's some browns out there that just they clash too much with my skin tone, and I don't know, it makes me like question it. But this one, this is just right. I also love the blonde streaks within the unit. Like, I don't know. At first, I was kind of like iffy, thinking that the chunky blonde streaks, Lord, can I talk? Streaks at the front were like gonna be a little bit off-putting, but no, I actually like them a lot. I have other units that are very similar to this unit, so it's just like, I should have known I was gonna like the color. My next pro is the fact that this unit is a 5x5. Now, I would prefer like a 7x6 over a 5x5, but I would prefer a 5x5 over a 4x4. Yes, it's just an inch difference, but still, like, that inch be coming in clutch. The fact that I was able to like create some baby hair and still kind of somewhat hide my own personal edges with the unit. I don't know, with the 4x4 I feel like it can come like a little bit too close, or either you'll have to like tilt the unit to the side. With this unit I thought I was gonna have to do that, like tilt the unit, but no, she's like sitting on my head pretty straight, normal. Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to like tilt it all the way to the side and then just like almost create like a frontal type of effect, but no, it ended up working out pretty nicely in my opinion. Another pro is the lace. The lace on this unit melted so nicely, but I mean, let's be real, it's LuvMe hair and 9 times out of 10 their lace is gonna melt really nicely. I did want to put some like concealer in the part, and maybe I'll do that right now. Let's see. Actually, just kidding. I'm scared that if I put some concealer in the parting space, it might not look good. I don't know why. I just don't want to mess it up, you know. My last pro for this unit is going to be the length. Now, I mentioned earlier that I received the 22-inch, but if I'm going to keep it a buck with you, she's actually sitting on me as if she were like a 24-inch. Now, that may not be a big deal to like some people, but I mean, let's be real. When you don't pay for a shorter length and you actually get a little bit longer of a length, like, who gonna complain? I will say that I do like the fact that this unit is a closure unit because, you know, the edges and sideburns are protected. You can get to them, you can access them very easily. But something I am starting to notice about myself is that when it does come to closure units, I personally prefer them to be like a 1 or 1B. When it comes to colored units, it's just like, okay, what if I do want to do like a little ear tuck? Like, child, you're gonna be able to see that. You're gonna be able to see the difference. And I'm just like, go ahead and stay right there. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions about this unit. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Again, if you find that you like this unit, make sure to check out the description box below. It will have a direct link to this unit. Also, my discount code TANDOTSON will be down there as well. Keep in mind, it will save you 28% off of their entire website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANDOTSON. Here soon, I plan on, you know, starting to be more consistent on those 2 platforms. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.